Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get a working Grubhub promo code. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up any web browser on your phone and simply type in Grubhub promo code. And generally one of the top results here all work. So I'm just going to click on the first one from Los Angeles Times. Grubhub promo code 20% off. And now to get the promo code, just scroll down a bit. And as you can see, there's 19 coupon codes. If you want 20% off, click on View Coupon. And then if you add in GH20 to your checkout in Grubhub, it will take 20% off your order. So yeah, that's it guys, how to get a Grubhub promo code that actually works. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.